Hi. We're doing this again. I didn't really want to because this one I actually am not looking forward to. But for you guys, we're gonna do it. Let's do it. Hey friends, it's Akideris, and every so now and then on this channel, I find a weird pizza from Domino's, Japan. This wasn't really planned to be a series, but I have apparently now an entire series of pizzas that I've tried in Japan. And the reason is, if you're new to this channel, is because Domino's Japan pizza, on this channel at least, is known for two things. One, it's really expensive. And two, they always go from like 0 to 100 when it comes to their flavors. Whatever they come out with, whenever it's like a special, it's like the most bizarre left field theme ever. So for example, we've had the tsundere pizza, we've had the boba pizza, we had the fish and chips pizza. All of that will be linked down below. But today, I'm going to be trying the newest pizza from Domino's Japan, the pickle pizza.
I'm Pickle Red!
I hate, and I mean like hate, pickles. There's very few foods in this world that I don't like. I have like the widest palate ever, but pickles is the one thing that I just do not like. And that's exactly why I'm going to eat it today. Okay, so I'm on the website right now. I'm gonna go order, and here it is. It says pickles pizza. The ingredients are pickles, camembert cheese, and that's it. Yeah, I think that's literally all that they have. And then here's like a full scope of it. It's literally like a whole jar of pickles that's just been dumped on top of the pizza. It's a lot like the tsundere pizza where they just put on like a whole jar of jalapenos on top. Literally the same concept. Just put a whole jar of pickles on here. This is really great if you like pickles. So I'm going to be getting it. Oh, look at that price. Isn't that beautiful? 4,990 yen for one pizza. What do you think about that?
It's expensive. It's
yeah.
Ridiculous.
Right? The one helping me today is from Malaysia. How much is a pizza in Malaysia?
Pretty expensive.
Really? But for that?
It's really expensive for pizza. It's not that expensive in Malaysia.
Right.
It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah,
than that, yeah.
Okay. Well, I mean, I think like in America, you could get this for like maybe 10, 12 bucks at most. So let's see. Oh yeah, let's see how many calories this is. It says for one pizza slice, it's 257 calories. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be, but then again, it is a pizza with like nothing but vegetables on top. So let's do delivery. New address. Oh shit, I have to type this in. Hold on. Intermission. Okay, I've just logged in and okay, I have to find this again. Yeah, here we go. New York size pickle pizza, hand toss. Let's add it for 5,000 yen because who made these price points? Like even if the ingredients were imported, it really shouldn't be that much. You know what I mean? That's just ridiculous. No. Okay, well I've just added it. Yeah, pickle pizza. It comes with pickles, camembert cheese sauce, New Yorker size, hand toss. It's sauceless. Now how? No.
Wait, what? It doesn't have sauce?
Yeah, it's sauceless. Okay, you know what? Let me look at the advertisement for this. Because I need to see.
Pickle Pizza, Japan.
Okay, let's look at the news here. Domino's Japan pushes pickle love to limit with new pickles pizza. Pizza delivery chains in Japan aren't afraid of thinking outside the box when it comes to what they put on top of their pizzas. And Domino's Japan is no exception. Corn, mayonnaise, fish and chips, those have all been on pies Domino's has delivered in Japan. But now the chain is pushing pizza, pioneering in an especially bold direction with its new pickle pizza. The selling point is, quote, "We won't let anyone call pickles a garnish ever again. From now on, pickles are a main dish." I don't know if that advertisement even looks appetizing. I think they really tried, but it just looks like there's something wrong. Okay, tell me what looks more appetizing. Pickles pizza or kiwi pizza?
I think they're both equally bad.
Yeah, right? But this one looks painful. I swear to God, if Domino's Japan ever comes out with this, I'm gonna scream. But you know what? You have to appreciate that Japan is super experimental with different flavors. Because I feel like in the US, there is like almost no room to try super new things like this. They kind of always stay in like the realm of what they know will sell. This one, I don't know how many people are buying this, but I have a feeling that since I'm ordering this from the same location that I've ordered all my pizzas at, they're gonna see that name, they're gonna see that address being like, making another video, isn't she? All right, I'm gonna add a couple things to this order and then I'm gonna check out and then I'll see you guys in a bit. 5 items for 10,220 yen. Let's fucking go! Yeah. Estimated delivery time? No idea. He said, yeah, the pickles pizza is popular. I can smell only pickles. I'm holding like 2 big pizzas. No, actually, 2 big pizzas, 1 small pizza, and 2 sides, and all I can smell is pickles. Okay, well, alright, let's do this. You know what? The guy was so nice. Let me just like rate him really quickly right now.
How was your meal?
No, I'm just gonna put a little smile because we got other things.
How was the presentation and conduct of the Domino's team member who delivered your order?
He was really nice. He answered my question.
How was the quality of the delivery service?
It was, I would put that, yeah.
Based on your experience, how likely would you be recommending Domino's?
I don't need to answer everything, right? Okay, cool. No! Sorry. If you change the prices, maybe I'll give you a little higher score. But at least the guy who delivered was really nice. Okay, I got all of this stuff, so let's go look at all of this. You ready for the big reveal? All right, New Yorker's Pickle Pizza, here we go. God. Oh. That's like, yeah, I mean, even if you like pickles, that's like too much.
Oh my god, I can smell it all over
right?
here.
You can smell that. Well, you wanna do some B-roll?
Yeah, I want to do some B-roll.
Yeah, you guys want a closer look at this? Check that shit out.
That is so unattractive.
Joey, you have to see this.
What the f is that?
Yeah.
Is that?
It's so bad.
Is it just mayo and pickles?
No, it says it's like camembert cheese.
It looks like someone just jizzed all over it.
You want to try it with me?
No.
Just one slice.
I'll take one bite.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll go first and then you can take a bite.
Sure.
Okay, cool. All right.
Why is it so big? Could you not have gotten a smaller
They
size?
literally don't have anything other than the New York style pizza.
Okay, go for it.
I hate pickles. You know this.
I love pickles, and I still am not okay with this.
Right? Okay.
Okay.
The juices!
Yeah, that's the best
Every
part.
bite!
That's the best part, bro.
Every bite!
I can smell it from here, bro.
There's like more juice on top of juice. It's so sour.
I'm more worried about like the vinegar contents in this.
It hurts like right here.
Alright, let me try this. Thank you, Mars. Like, you know, I like pickles, but pickles are supposed to be used as a garnish, not a main.
That's exactly what the Japan Times article was saying.
Yeah.
It was like, oh, this pizza is meant to show that pickles don't have to just be a garnish, but they can also be a main. No, it can't!
They cannot.
It can't!
That's the equivalent of being like, hey guys, I really want to make a pizza, but it's just coleslaw. Yeah, that's horrible. That might honestly be one of the worst pizzas I've had in my life.
I hate this so much.
And you've made me eat a shitload of terrible pizza.
I hate this. Why does it have to be a New York style pizza?
Yeah, why is it so? If it was this size,
That would have been fine.
it would have been fine. They came in this size with everything else. Who asked for this?
Guess how
Who
much?
asked?
Guess how much this was?
4,000 yen.
5.
5,000 yen? It would have been cheaper just to make our own pickles.
Yeah. Make our own pickles.
Yeah.
Make our own pickles.
Yeah.
You mean put
Make our own pickles.
from?
Like from scratch.
Oh.
Can I just grab my pizza and go?
Later.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Beep. You
Yeah.
can eat later when I'm done recording.
Alright.
And this is actually, like, out of all the pizzas that I've eaten on this channel, this is the worst. This is actually the worst. Every bite of pickles just like fills your mouth with more and more pickle juice, and then like it hurts right here. And I don't taste anything else but pickles. Like they have cheese, as you can see right here, but it's all just gone. 5,000 yen. How many slices is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. It's like how much is that per slice? Everyone in this room right now can like actually like smell it. Like it's not even funny. Each slice is $6.25. What a waste of like pickles. And that's coming from someone that doesn't even like pickles. And you do this? Why did you do this? This does not take a lot to make. If you already know how to make a pizza, just dump a shit ton of pickles on top. Even though it has camembert cheese, even if you don't have it, it doesn't matter. You can put any topping you want. It doesn't change anything because the taste of the pickles is literally overpowering the taste of anything else. This sucks. I'm sorry. Japan Domino's, I can't do this one. It's not the most terrible thing I've ever had in my life. It's just, I just don't like pickles, and this is like a nightmare for me. Maybe if you really like pickles, you might be able to tolerate it. Joey seemed to tolerate it okay, but not me. No ma'am, I'm good. All right guys, I'm gonna have some actual regular pizza and I will enjoy the rest of my night. That stuff, we're gonna try our best to finish this. I don't think we're gonna be able to. So I'm just being honest, a lot of this is probably gonna go to the trash. Anyways, let me know of what you guys think and I need to brush my teeth. Bye!